Let's now turn our focus to Microsoft Intune. Intune offers two key services: Mobile Device Management, or MDM, and Mobile Application Management, or MEM. In order for Microsoft Intune to manage your devices and apps, you first need to ensure that Intune is configured to manage them. This is known as setting the MDM authority. Device management within Intune is not enabled by default. Therefore, you need to set the MDM authority to Intune to enable Intune to manage your devices. Once the authority has been set, you can use the full functionality of Intune, including device enrollment, device configuration, monitoring and reporting, application management, and the ability to carry out remote actions on your devices. There are several setup steps for configuring Intune, and unless the MDM authority is set to Intune, devices cannot be enrolled into Intune. This also means that devices cannot be managed by Intune, and you'll not be able to use Intune's MDM or MEM features. If you've not already set the authority to Intune, then when you first log in to the Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center or the Intune Admin Center within Microsoft Azure, you'll be presented with a notification showing that the MDM authority has not yet been set. This is a one-time operation, and you'll need to click on the notification as shown on screen, which allows you to choose the MDM authority setting.